Hello everyone, welcome to week 5 in advanced marketing. These are your announcements for the week. It's a pretty busy week, so make sure that you budget time to make sure that you can get everything done. Okay, so this week we have chapter 7 is our discussion topic for the week. Okay, so make sure that you read through the chapter and watch the chapter video. Okay, two things due this week. You've got your practice period 1 decisions and the Coca-Cola case due. So the Coca-Cola case is in the textbook. It should proceed with the same method, framework as the Sigma marketing case, which you should have grading and comments on now. Okay, now as far as the practice period decisions, one thing you need to do here is you need to go into the shared folder, just like I'm doing here. And when you get here, click on, let's see, Mark Strat Resources. And here you will find documents to help you. You've got the Mark Strat tips. Definitely want to read through that and see how that information can help you organize your thoughts. Also go back into the shared folder itself, click on practice periods here, and it gives you a good overview of kind of what you're doing in the practice. So basically all you're doing in the practice is just trying to figure out what all the buttons do. And that's quite simple. What do the buttons do and what do all these darn reports mean? So the homework should be getting you ready for this, but really all you're going to do is go in as your team and basically just log in and make some decisions, and they can be grounded in some sort of marketing logic, but they don't have to be. So quite simply, that's all you're doing here. Okay, so you may be lost, you may be confused, and the whole purpose of this practice session is to do that. Okay, and so the practice decisions are due in Blackboard by Friday night. So you just go in, enter the decisions, and you're done. And then the next morning, I will advance the decisions forward. And then the next week, you will repeat the same process one more time. You'll just be one more period into the future and have new data. Okay, so make sure you go through those documents. Make sure you work as a team. And just kind of learn how things operate, where things are going. You won't get immediate feedback. You won't get feedback until after I have run the decisions on Saturday morning. So if you have questions, don't hesitate to let me know. We have one more week after this of practice and one more week of textbook stuff. And then from there, we get into the midterm exam, and then the simulation takes over to be the only thing you do for the rest of the semester is the decisions, reports related to the decisions, as well as the plan at the very end. Okay, so if you don't have any questions, that's great. If you do have questions, definitely let me know. And also one other thing I want to note is regarding the homeworks. I am putting the homework keys also in the shared folder. Okay, so you should see homework key number 1 there. If we don't see a homework key in there, I will be sure to put it in there shortly. And that's it. So let me know if you have questions. Thanks.